Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare error 521 web server down fast. If you're seeing a Cloudflare 521 message, it usually means Cloudflare is having trouble connecting to your website's origin server. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on a quick cleanup process inside Cloudflare and in your browser, which can help rule out cached data issues and get things working properly again. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home in your browser. Once you're signed in, look for the domain you want to work on and select the sample domain shown in your dashboard. This takes you into that site's settings area, where you can manage the options connected to performance and cached content. After the domain opens, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Caching. This section controls how Cloudflare stores and serves cached versions of your site. From there, click on Configuration. You'll now be in the area where you can clear save cached content across the site. Next, find the Purge Everything option and click it. Cloudflare may ask you to confirm the action, so if a confirmation prompt appears, click Purge Everything again to continue. This step is important because it clears all cached files currently stored by Cloudflare for your website. If outdated or broken cached content is contributing to what you're seeing, this gives the platform a fresh start. Once that's done, there's one more cleanup step to complete in your browser. Open the browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu, choose the option to delete browsing data. Depending on your browser, the wording may be slightly different, but it usually refers to clearing browsing data or history. When the deletion window appears, set the time range to all time. This makes sure older cached files and stored browsing data are removed, not just recent items. Then click Delete to confirm. Clearing your browser cache helps ensure you're not loading an old version of the site from local storage after Cloudflare's caching has already been purged. After both of these actions are complete, reload your website and check whether the 521 error still appears. If the issue was related to cached content, this process can often resolve it quickly. As a helpful tip, give the site a short moment to refresh after the purge, since some changes may take a little time to fully reflect. That's it for this quick fix process. You've now cleared the Cloudflare cache and your browser cache to help troubleshoot Cloudflare error 521.